Okay, so my car's having a hard time staying at idle. If I let go of the gas, it wants to die. See that I push the gas in? Now if I put it in gear, reverse from gear now, it's gonna die. See it drop before it went up. When I hit the gas, it dropped. Pretty much, if I let go of this gas, it's shutting off. Watch. Oh, yep, oh, yep, see? Dead. I don't know if you can hear it. I need help with this, guys. I can't figure it out. But once I'm driving, if I'm driving, it's good. It goes. But when I go to, it's when I'm stopping and sitting at idle, it just absolutely refuses to stay running. Once I put it in gear, it's probably gonna die. Oh no, it's because I pushed the gas real fast. But look, it runs fine once it's going. Now when I stop, I have to keep my foot on the gas pedal as I hit the brake. Just a little bit though, otherwise it'll die. See, that's me holding the gas. I let go of the gas slowly, and it slowly goes dead. But I'm not gonna let it die right now because I'm sitting in the stoplight. Yeah, so any help, any opinions would be appreciated. Thanks for any help that you can give.